everyone on YouTube. I'm here in bed and I just woke up and I realized that the videos I created last night on TikTok of me in bed in the dark are actually pretty dark. So the videos you're about to see, you can have to use your imagination and just like pretend you can see me, or maybe just pretend you're watching a podcast and you can't see me. Anyway, I'm answering questions in the video you're about to see, and that's why you're going to see there's some stickers on there and a few little text boxes, because I filmed those over on my TikTok account. If you're interested in following my TikTok account, I have a few of them, but one of them is called Music by That Vegan Teacher. And over there, yesterday, for example, I did a live for an hour, and I was accepting song requests from people and just dancing to whatever they suggest. Now you know what kids are like. They're gonna suggest songs that are like terrible, like awful lyrics, and they can't understand anything, or they're just like really gross. But you know, I make a commitment to them that I'm gonna dance for 1 minute at least, to no matter what they suggest, and then they get a big kick out of it. I think it's hilarious that I'm dancing to these awful songs. But then once in a while, of course, I pick my own songs and I re-listen to the Bee Gees and Keen, which is a group that I really like, and Earth, Wind and Fire, and sort of funk and disco type stuff. Anyway, if you're interested in joining those lives, just go to see my TikTok account, which is called Music by That Vegan Teacher, and come and hang out with us. And share the video live with your friends, tag your friends or whatever. If you're not on TikTok yet, I highly suggest you go there. It is a really kind of a fun app. I mean, there can be a lot of crazy people there, but I get a kick out of it. I think for an animal rights activist, it's really great because you can make these quick 15-second videos and you can really get a lot of people to pay attention to the vegan message.
Broccoli, green peppers, mushrooms, tomatoes, artichokes, vegan meat, vegan cheese. Ta-da! It's vegan pizza.
And what I do there is I just always wear shirts that say something about veganism so they can read the messages. And then sometimes I paint them on the back as well. So if I'm dancing, you see the back of me. Sometimes there's a message there too. But anyway, all this to say, I'm on TikTok, and I have an account there right now that has 267,000 followers. So we'll see how it goes. So far, I'm hanging in there. People keep trying to report the videos, but TikTok always gives them back to me and says, sorry, we took your video off by mistake. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, I am enjoying myself over there, and I hope you guys are having a great day. And the video coming up right now is going to be a bunch of different 1-minute videos of me answering questions. So if you're interested in learning about veganism, just stay tuned. Okay? All right, don't hang up. Here they come.
I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray!
Responding to TikToks from bed, and here's what you said. I want to become vegan, but my family doesn't support and won't buy vegan food, but I have my own money to buy it. What food do you recommend that is cheap? Start with a giant bag of lentils. Cook the whole thing and put it in your fridge. Invest in some nice big pots, because you can always dip into the lentils throughout the week. They're not expensive, they're full of protein. You can put all kinds of different spices on there, and you can actually eat lentils, believe it or not, with just mixing them with applesauce. I used to give that to my kids in their lunch. So lentils mixed with applesauce. It sweetens them, and it's kind of cool. Anyway, buy a big bag of lentils, a big bag of rice, a big bag of chickpeas, and a big bag of oats for breakfast. That's where you start. Do it!
In the grocery store, you can decide not to hurt animals anymore. In the grocery store, you can sing the song, and you can decide to be vegan from now on.
If aliens came to Earth and really wanted to eat you, would you say, no problem, and let them take a bite out of your mom and dad too? If you wouldn't want aliens to hurt you, then leave the animals alone. Don't eat them, don't wear them, don't use them, or take over their home. Leave the animals the fuck alone.
Reading comments from bed, here's what you said. You tagged somebody named Daz Black. And oh my God, does that ever bring back memories, and not good ones. He is somebody who still pays for the rape, torture, confinement, kidnapping, sadness, and murder of innocent animals. He still eats them, even though it's 2022. He still drinks cow's milk, which involves stealing the baby boy cows away from their mothers to steal their milk. He also eats eggs, which involves murdering baby boy chicks at just 1 day old because they'll never be able to lay eggs. I mean, this is a guy who really doesn't care about animal exploitation or animals at all. So I don't want to remember him.
Veganism isn't extreme, but let me tell you what is. Teaching our children to love animals and then teaching them that we can harm those we love. Veganism isn't extreme, but let me tell you what is. Teaching our children to care for animals and then teaching them that we can harm those we love. That is extreme. Veganism isn't extreme. It's true love.
Responding to comments from bed, here's what you said. Can you teach me how to be vegan? Yes, I can. It's so easy. You see, being vegan is about not hurting animals. So in the same way that you don't hurt cats and dogs, you just follow the same logic. Do you eat cats? No? Perfect. Don't eat pigs. Do you eat dogs? No? Perfect. Don't eat cows. It's as simple as that. You just go to the grocery store and you only put veggies, fruits, nuts, seeds, legumes, and all kinds of other plants in your shopping cart, because peace begins on your plate. So you have to open up your heart. It's really easy to be vegan. Go to howdoigovegan.com. Sing it again. howdoigovegan.com. You can do it. Yay!
Bella vegan dog is still alive. Look at her run, look at her thrive. If Bella can be vegan, so can you. If Bella can be vegan, so can you.
Reading comments from bed, and here's what you said. You asked, wait, what do you feed your dog? I feed Bella vegan dog food. It looks exactly like any other kind of dog food. These brown kibble bits. She gets 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup in the evening. And she gets water like any other dog. And she gets little treats sometimes, like just pieces of watermelon or whatever, like any other dog. The only difference is that her dog food does not contain any animal products. No eggs, no meat, no dairy. 100% vegan. And it has an ingredient in there called taurine, which dogs need. And it's vet approved. And it is great because I don't have to pay anybody to kill other animals for her. You know, no chickens, no cows, no pigs, no lambs had to die for Bella. And she's so healthy. She's been vegan now for 5 years. Not cool? Yes. Thanks for asking.
Bet you can't tell which dog is vegan. Bet you can't tell. Bet you can't tell which dog is vegan. Bet you can't tell.
responding to comments from bed, and here's what you said. Be vegan, but don't push it on other people. First of all, nobody is forcing you to do anything. Do you see where I am? I'm literally in bed. Like, I'm not even close to you, probably not even in the same country. I'm just talking about saving the animals. Look, let's say you were trying to make sure there was no racism in the world, and you were telling people, don't be racist. Like, I wouldn't listen to you and then just say, stop forcing your beliefs on me. I would say, oh, that makes sense. I don't want to be racist. And if you were saying to people, don't be homophobic, hopefully everyone would do the same thing and say, oh, that makes sense. Thanks for letting me know. Yeah, let's not be homophobic. So we are saying, don't be racist towards the animals. Don't hurt them for no reason. Right? Get it?
Wash away your old life, be vegan today. Jump into your new life, it's the only way. Wash away your old life, be vegan today. Welcome to heaven on earth. Happy Vegan Declaration Day.
Reading comments from bed, and here's what you said. I'm not really a fan, but I like how you just said, I just wake up and put a hat on. Aw, I'm glad you like that. So for people who are just showing up, they probably have no idea what you're talking about. Somebody had asked about my hairstyle. What do I do? How do I style it? And I was like, I don't style it. I just wake up and put a hat on. I mean, I just literally wake up and it's like this, and I just like go like that. And I don't really do much to it. I hate spending a lot of time on my appearance. So I always try to have a haircut that just works really easily, that I don't have to do much with. But I also don't like having hair that's long, so, you know, it can't be too short, otherwise it sticks up all over. It has to be like long enough to kind of fall down. Anyway, I don't want to talk about hair. That's the whole point. I want to talk about the animals and not exploiting them. So tell me, what vegan foods did you eat today? Come on, tell me. I really want to know.
Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Eating eggs is so last century, nobody needs to, so here's what you do. Mash tofu, green onions, and celery in a pan. Add black salt, turmeric, and spices, yes you can. Mix in some vegan mayo. Mix in some vegan mayo. Now mix in a salty pickle. Yeah, that's the way to go. Ooh. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too.
Reading comments from bed, here's what you said. I had vegan ice cream yesterday. Woohoo! Oh my god, that is so great. So happy that you had vegan ice cream. You know, you are helping so many animals by doing that, and also by writing that comment here, because you're teaching other people that vegan ice cream exists. Some people don't even know what the word vegan means. So just by being here, you've already helped even more animals. So just so you know, I make my own ice cream here at my own house, and it's really easy. You just need a really good blender, a really high-powered blender, and you just put in frozen banana bits, and you mix them all up. We add some cocoa powder in there, and then you put some blueberries on top. It's just so easy and so delicious. If the bananas are a bit too hard, you can add a little bit of almond milk or soy milk just to make it a little bit softer, and then it's just like soft ice cream, and it's so good.
La 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 la. Oh my god, it's vegan lasagna. La 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 la. Oh my god, it's vegan lasagna.
Responding to TikToks from bed, and here's what you said. You asked me a question in giant letters. You said, what would you do if I hit you in the face with ham? Well, I would probably say, what are you doing in my bedroom? How did you get in? How did you get past all the security cameras? And how come Bella didn't bark? That's the first thing I'd wonder. And then I would say, what are you doing that for? Like, What is the point? Why do you want to hit me? I'm just somebody who's trying to defend animals from exploitation, from being hurt. Why would you want to hurt somebody who's trying to save animals? If I was trying to save dogs and cats from being murdered, would you also want to hit me with some ham? Like, why not be nice? You know? Be nice.
Yippee, yippee, time to put soy milk in my coffee. Yippee, yippee, time to put soy milk in my coffee. Wake up, be vegan. I'll remember this day, I'll remember this moment. Today's the first day of the rest of my vegan life. I'll remember this feeling, I'll remember this love. Today's the first day of the rest of my vegan life. From this day forward I will always be proud to be vegan, and I will declare it out loud. I'm here to save you, I'm here to save you. Little lambs, chickens, turkeys, fish, pigs and cows too. I'm here because that vegan teacher helped me to see